Hello friends, welcome to Pouja's 5-minute talks. Do you think birds play an important role in human life? How? What can we do to save birds? Yes, indeed, birds do play an important role in human life. Since ages, birds have been used for various purposes by humans. Formerly, pigeons were used to send messages. Birds such as sparrows help the farmers by eating small worms that harm the crop, while hen and turkey are used as food. The cocks and the hens are also used for entertainment in some countries for cockfights and hen fights. The chirping and songs of birds gives us a sense of joy. Birds help in spreading the seeds of the plants and thus help fruition of plants. There are many directive ways to save birds. For instance, bird sanctuaries can be set up to protect and provide a natural habitat for birds. More and more trees should be planted as birds get shelter due to trees and food to them. They can be saved from being hunted, killed for food, or taken captive for decorations or as pets. Thank you. Do not forget to press the like button, share my video, and subscribe.